Okay, these are the Powder River Coal Basin. They go for 50 miles. They're hundreds of yards wide, and they're a geologic enigma to everybody. They're almost totally pure coal. These seams are beyond belief in size. I've been on an electric cart inside of these mines as far as 2 miles into it, and they don't go down, they just go across. And so the reason I'm bringing this up is in the ceiling of this mine, where they're digging through, you can look up and there's coal. There's some pieces of wood that are partially coalified, and there's coal everywhere. They're mining it. Well, I took samples everywhere in that mine, and this doesn't just go for the Powder River Basin, but it goes for all coal mines. You can take samples of the coal and you can do radioactive carbon dating on them. Now there shouldn't be any radioactive carbon in them because of the age of the supposed layers being laid, but they do have, and they have dinosaur footprints in the coal mine, right where the coal was being laid down. Like I said, it'll be partially coalified wood, and this is how radioactive carbon is laid down. Carbon-14 is produced in the atmosphere. It oxidizes, the plants absorb it, animals eat it, and then they stop taking in the carbon-14. So when those giant layers were set down, the clock started ticking. There shouldn't be any carbon-14 in them at all, yet every single sample had it. Now, could have been contaminated by water? Absolutely, it could have been. But the fossils, some of those dinosaur fossils were not actually fossilized. They were just dinosaur bones, and if you did the radioactive carbon dating on them, they showed that they were less than 10,000 years old. Anyway, check out the works of Dr. Mark Armitage, Robert Gentry, Kent Hovind, Ken Ham. My friend Trey Smith has professional videos on it. And yeah, so the dating's all wrong on these. And so here's it goes. So 100% of carbon-14 at death, and that's the half-life right there. So 50% will be left, and they can date it back another step, maybe another 2 steps now. But the fact that they're finding the radioactive carbon in the coal beds, and it isn't just Powder River Basin, it's most all of them have it. But I've personally dated, I believe it was 20 samples that I personally took. So the Powder River Basin was laid down more than likely around this time, between these 2 periods, closer to this one. Anyway, check it out. Thank you.